My name is Sean Fournier, Product Specialist for Dryspin lead screws at IGUS. And today we're going to be answering the question, what is back drive in a lead screw application? When implementing a lead screw into your design, it is very important to consider and know whether the screw you are using is either self-locking or back driving. Now, back drive in a lead screw is exactly what it sounds like. It's the ability for a screw to be driven back by the force of gravity or by a pusher force, while a lead screw that is self-locking is also exactly what it sounds like. The ability for the screw to lock in place when not in actual rotation. Now, the reason that some screws back drive and others self-lock is due to a thing we call lead. Now, lead is the distance of travel per rotation of the nut. Well, having a lead screw with a high lead is great for high-speed applications. The higher the lead is, the greater the slope of the threads. Think of it like a ball on a hill. The steeper the slope is, the more likely that ball is to roll down the hill. And the same thing applies for a lead screw. Where you have a very steep thread here, the screw falls very easily. Compared to something with a very small lead, this is very self-locking. It is, however, important to keep in mind that every lead screw has some slope and has the ability to back drive under the right circumstances. So it's always really important to test to make sure you don't need any other preventative methods like a hand clamp or a motor brake. To learn if your lead screw will back drive or self-lock, or for any other general information, click the links below.